CEOs, business heads, journalist friends, artists, and all the inspiring women. It looks really stunning. And also a big hi to all the men who are here. And thank you so much for cheering all of us here. I want to start with Leventhar. Power and beauty. When both of them come together, there's no stopping it. Just like our Aratrika Reddy, తన గురించి మనం ఇంకొద్దిసేపట్లో తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. బట్ బిఫోర్ దట్ అసలు మనం ఇక్కడికి ఎందుకు వచ్చామో అసలు ఈ ఆహా క్రాస్ వీ హబ్ కొలాబరేషన్ ఏంటో ప్రణీత వుడ్ యూ లైక్ టు స్టార్ట్?
యా సో ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నామని. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేస్ దట్ ఈస్ అండర్ ది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ వీ హబ్. సో వీ హబ్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయాలి అంటే ఇట్స్ అండ్ ద ప్రైమ్ ఫోకస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ is to encourage, inspire, mentor and help women entrepreneurs who want to make a difference and who want to prove their mettle out there. But దీని గురించి నేను మాట్లాడడం కంటే eventually someone will come onto the stage and they will be the perfect person దీని గురించి మీకు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ చెప్పడానికి. బట్ yet so Shweta will take this forward and tell you a little more about AHA.
Also, I would like to invite Miss Meghna Chupalli, our beloved AHA promoter, director of My Home Group and business head of Meru International Schools and Yashoda. Ma'am, thank you so much గురించి ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం.
Deepti garu, after the photo op obviously request you to first start.
వీ హబ్ అనేది ప్రణీత ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ ఇనిషియేటివ్. దీన్ని మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది మెయిన్లీ ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్. ఇప్పుడు ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్స్ అనగానే మనకు చాలా మందికి ఐడియా ఎట్లుంటుంది అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోన్ బి రెస్పెక్ట్ఫుల్లీ ఏదో ఒక కిచెన్ థింగో లేకుంటే పికిల్స్ ఆర్ పాపడాలు లేకపోతే పచ్చళ్ళు చేసుకుంటా సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ అనగానే ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఏదో చిన్నగా స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంది పోపు డబ్బాల పైసలు పెట్టుకోవడానికి అని ఒక మైండ్ సెట్ ఉంటుంది. సో వీ హబ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అందరూ అదే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిర్రు, మేము ఒక సైడ్ ఒక మంచిగా ఒక ముకుడు పెట్టుకొని వంట చేసుకుంటా సంథింగ్ లైక్ దాట్. But what we realized is that the main purpose of VHub is change the narrative on women entrepreneurship, and the way to do that is actually walk the talk. So what we started doing is we started scouting for more and more women who are actually doing some really cool stuff. So the unfortunate fact of women entrepreneurship is that there's a wonderful lady who's doing something from home, right? She doesn't have the flexibility to come out of the home. She doesn't have the means to come out of the home, and she's doing something at home. She's actually a homepreneur. But the unfortunate fact is she's treated on the same platform as somebody who's actually creating, you know, some cutting edge deep tech or technology or something like that. So the first thing we did is to make sure that we create different kind of programs which target different kind of women entrepreneurs. So while we were doing this, I get a LinkedIn message from Ajit, who at that point was in a different entity, and we thought we should catch up over an email or some VC or something, but that never happened. But last week, I think on Monday, suddenly I see Ajit in my office because he's now heading AHA. And I'm sorry to say this, but నేను టీవీ ఎక్కువ చూడ, నేను అసలు I don't watch a lot of anything. Only YouTube is the one. When he came and said there is this platform called AHA, I was like, okay, AHA ante entiది ante. He gave me a nice primer about AHA. And the next thing he said is that we always wanted to do something, and we make a lot of shows which are family friendly. We make a lot of shows which have very strong female protagonists. And most importantly, what he said is, what can we do together to make sure that we can get more women entrepreneurs to actually, like, you know, grow and thrive and reach their goals? And that is when this collaboration came about. And through this collaboration, we'll be supporting. Thank you, AHA. Thank you, Ajit. And thanks, Meghna. Through this collaboration, we'll be supporting close to 5 to 7 women entrepreneurs get some infusion of capital, because ideas can thrive and fly when they have what? They have money, right? So thank you so much, AHA, for bringing a lot of fuel and you know, propellant kind of thing to our own VHub entrepreneurs, and we are really excited to partner with you. Thank you so much for the generosity. And the second thing I would like to compliment you guys on the AHA team itself is the number of female employees you have, because we talk a lot about diversity and inclusion, and over time it becomes tokenism, right? So when Women's Day rolls around, I mean, it's like Diwali for anybody who wants to show that, you know, we are also into diversity and inclusion. We respect women anangane. It is like a big week of Diwali. Everybody is invited to 30 different events. I personally go to 35 to 40 events. I don't even know. I don't want to do it anymore. But what I noticed with the AHA team is that there's a lot of strong female leaders that you're creating. And I think building this community of female leaders is what is really important to show that, you know, equality is not by talking about it, right? It doesn't happen by talking about it, but creating a balanced environment where, you know,
Thank you, Vihab and Deepa, for hosting AHA. We're very excited to be here. So, first thing is, like, over the past 8 or 9 years, I've been asked to speak about women empowerment, gender equality, women at workplace, at least 5-6 times, I think, not as many as you. But it never tires me because it's a very relevant issue in today's times. So, and how do you break the glass ceiling is one thing, because obviously Deepa had mentioned women entrepreneurs ante కిచెన్లో ఏదో చేసుకోవడమో లేకపోతే డిజైనింగో ఇట్లా జ్యువెలరీయో ఇట్లా అని, which is not definitely not a bad thing. It's a fantastic space, it's a creative space. But there are obviously more industries and avenues that women can get into. Nobody is stopping them, definitely, but it's just about encouraging them, considering the scenarios and the education system and the society that we've been brought in. There's a drastic change. It's fantastic. It's phenomenal what we were 10 years ago to what we are right now. So I'm very grateful to have a platform that was given to me by visionaries like by my father-in-law, Dr. J. Rameshwara Garu, my home group, my father, Dr. G.S. Rao Garu, Yashoda Hospital. But I also understand it's not easy for everybody. And what VHub is doing is very relevant. And I'm really proud of our current government and what kind of work Deepa is doing. And kudos to that. I would also like to add that, you know, we're doing a little bit, so right now she just spoke about the lot of women in AHA, right? So what I would like to point out is, firstly, statistically, we're at least 40% is our current women percentage, 40 to 60 is our ratio, women to man. Now, obviously no organization or institute picks based on gender, correct? And it's based on purely performance. So I'm very proud to say that all the women that are here at AHA are purely skill based, not gender based. And that's an amazing point to be proud of, right? And I'm so glad that things are changing in the urban scenario. And I also would like to mention 11th Hour, the show that we are talking about. Hello 11th Hour team. I'm so glad to be speaking about this topic. It's very close to my heart, you know. And the whole show revolves around all these topics: gender equality, women empowerment, women at workplace, and how the female lead basically makes sure that she saves her organization. It's a big deal, you know. It's an inspiring story, and society at large has to be aware of such stories. And that's one reason why we picked up this content piece. And I would also like to mention that Sam Jam show, Samantha Akineni, and written and scripted by Mrs. Nandini Reddy, if I'm not mistaken, and Male, produced by Swapna and Priyanka Dutt as well. See, I'm not mentioning these content pieces because they're done, produced or written or directed by women, because they got our subscriptions. I'm saying it's purely talent based. So I'm glad that I'm glad to talk about these content pieces because they're by women, but it's completely, result oriented. So that's one fantastic thing that I would like to announce. And towards the end of the day, we at AHA would like to curate content which are relevant to today's society, which inspire the society, which possibly are thought-provoking, and that's what we want to do. And let's see how things go with our collaboration. We're very excited, and we're very pleased to say that we are here at VHub, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Meghna ma'am.
గారు కెప్టెన్ ఆఫ్ ద షిప్ ప్రవీణ్ సత్తార్ గారిని వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. Also, we'd like to invite both of you onto this. ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టే స్టేజ్ పవర్ఫుల్ పీపుల్తో నిండిపోయింది. పవర్ఫుల్ పీపుల్ సిట్టింగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్.
Biggest ever web series in Telugu. I love saying it, the biggest ever web series in Telugu, because it's the and who's also the producer of the show, Pradeep. request you to say a few.
Actually based on a book called 8 Hours, and my journey with this started about 2 years ago. The guy who wrote the book, he's a friend of mine. He used to be CMO of Bharti AXA Group. So we met, and he always wanted to bring this onto the silver screen or a series or something. So in that journey, I came across creative team at AHA, and they were very interested in it. So yeah, it took about 18 months to get this to where it is right now. And 11th Hour is all about Aratrika, who's our protagonist. And it's about a very tough woman. I don't want to say man's world because it's stereotype, but it's a typical world where there are a lot of issues and all of that. But in one night, how she solves something that's impossible is our story in 11th Hour. And she's a winner by the end of it. That's if it's a typical hero story, but I think the beauty of the story is how she's the winner and how she does it. That's the key thing. So I hope you all enjoy when it comes out. And yeah.
Lovely day, lovely weather, lovely venue, and a great view for you guys out there. I'm very happy to be here. It took a lot of hard work to be where we are right now, and to celebrate our series 11th Hour with VHub is beyond words basically. So VHub, women's entrepreneurship, women empowerment. So this is 21st century, and women are going to rule the world, and that is very evident. To sum up the series in two sentences, men cannot multitask. For us, 1 + 1 is 2. That's it. Women can do multiple things. For you, 1 + 1 can be 10 as well. So when we talk about women, when we portray women, when we write about women, there are multiple facets that we can explore, and that's what we did. This is a series not about strong women. This is not, Aratrika Reddy is not just a strong woman. She becomes strong in the process of survival, in the process of trying to make a point, trying to stand on her 2 feet, trying to aspire, trying to inspire, and all that. So our hero, Aratrika Reddy, is not a superhero in the first frame of the series, but she becomes one in the last frame of the series. So we see her vulnerabilities, her strengths, and her weaknesses, and we travel with her. We travel with her character. That is what makes this series special. It's not just about corporate drama. It's about motherhood. It's about a single mother trying to raise a kid. It's about a daughter who's been snubbed by her father. It's about a workplace where people look down upon her. So all these combined into this one character. So it speaks about every woman out there in doesn't matter ఏ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది కాకుండా ఏ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉన్నా కూడా వాళ్ళు రిలేట్ చేసుకోగలరు, and men can relate her character to their mothers, to their wives and sisters. So that is one factor that I really loved when I read the script, when Pradeep brought it to me, and we are happy that it came out on the screen the way he envisioned it, and in the way we wanted to portray it. So yeah, more after the trailer maybe.
Thank you, Praveen Garu. Thank you so much.
నమస్కారం. 11th Hour ఆహా వీడియోలో April 9th ప్రీమియర్ అవబోతుంది ఉగాది కోసం. అండ్ హియర్ మనం వి హబ్తో ఉన్నాము, విమెన్స్ ఆంటర్ప్రినర్స్ హబ్. టీ హబ్ విన్నాము మధ్యలో. సో ఐ జస్ట్ లైక్ హౌ లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ వన్ బై వన్. ఫస్ట్ 11th hour గురించి చెప్పే ముందు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి నాకు ఒక పాట గుర్తొస్తుంది దాసరి గారిది, సృష్టికర్త ఒక బ్రహ్మ అతనిని సృష్టించింది ఒక అమ్మ అని. ఇట్స్ అ సాంగ్ విచ్ ఐ థాట్ వాజ్ వెరీ వెరీ చీజీ. అంటే కాలేజ్లో ఫిల్మ్ మేకింగ్ అప్పుడు బాగా జోకులు వేసుకునే వాళ్ళం. ఆయన ఇట్లా గెడ్డం పెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళి నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తారు, ఇట్లా పాడతాడు, ఎవడు చూస్తాడు. బట్ యూనో యాజ్ యు గ్రో ఓల్డర్, వయసు అవుతున్నప్పుడు అమ్మ విలువ తెలుస్తుంది కదా, మన పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళ అమ్మ చెల్లెలు అక్క విలువ తెలిసినప్పుడు యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ డీప్ ద సాంగ్ ఇస్. ఐ థింక్ దట్ ఈస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అరౌండ్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. అండ్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు ఒక సూపర్ హీరో ఎవరు కాదు. వెన్ ద గోయింగ్ గెట్స్ టఫ్, ద టఫ్ గెట్స్ గోయింగ్. అండ్ ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ ఆరాత్రిక రెడ్డి ఈస్ సంబడి హూ కీప్స్ గెటింగ్ టఫ్. ఎవ్రీ మదర్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్ నో, ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ హౌస్. హౌ వర్ టఫ్ ద, అంటే ఎన్ని కష్టాలు వచ్చినా దాటుకుని వెళ్ళాల్సిందే. ఏ అమ్మ ఓకే ఐ రిటైర్ ఆర్ ఐ గివ్ అప్ అని చెప్పేది ఉండదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ విమెన్ హ్యావ్ స్పెసిఫికలీ. అండ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ యూజువలీ నన్ను యాక్చువల్లీ చాలామంది అడిగారు, మీరు బాగానే చేస్తున్నారు కదా సినిమాలు, ఎందుకు తమన్నా పక్కన అంటే మీరు సెకండ్గా చేయడం ఏంటి అని. ఐఎమ్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ నాట్ ఇన్సెక్యూర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ అట్ ఆల్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ద ఫస్ట్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ విచ్ రియల్లీ టుక్ ఆఫ్ స్వప్న సినిమాస్, స్వప్న దత్ గారు చేసింది, written by Nandini Reddy, and the protagonist was a girl, Tejasvi Madhivanan. నేను నవదీప్ చేసాం మన ముగ్గురు లవ్ స్టోరీ అని. Till date it is one of the most watched series, and then I'm doing this again. I have a very strong woman. I have actually చాలా నా ఫస్ట్ సినిమాలో తనతో యాక్చువల్ హ్యాపీ డేస్ తమిళ్ చేసినప్పుడు కుదరలేదు, ఇప్పుడు జరిగింది. ఐఎమ్ గ్లాడ్ ఇట్ హెస్ హ్యాపెండ్, లైఫ్ హెస్ కమ్ వన్ ఫుల్ సర్కిల్. షో గురించి చెప్పాలి అంటే ఇప్పుడు కరోనా వచ్చిన తర్వాత ముందు నుంచి అందరూ ఇంట్లో ల్యాప్టాప్లు ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని కొరియన్, అమెరికన్, ఫ్రెంచ్, రష్యన్, ఇరాకీ, అఫ్ఘనీ ఏదంటే ఆ సిరీస్ చూడడం ఇస్ అ ట్రెండ్ దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. అండ్ ఇనిషియలీ కొంచెం అర్థం కాల, అంటే వాళ్ళ కల్చర్కి ఏం జరుగుతుందని. ఇది మన లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్లో మనం చూస్తున్నాం. నాకు సూట్స్ అని ఒక సిరీస్ చాలా ఇష్టం, అండ్ నార్కోస్ ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ వాచ్డ్, అండ్ గేమ్ ఆఫ్ థ్రోన్స్ చూసాం. అలాంటి సిరీస్ మనం చేస్తామా, లేదా మనం సినిమాలు మన తెలుగు సినిమాలు చేసేదాన్ని ఇంకా సిల్వర్ స్క్రీన్కి అడాప్ట్ చేసి చేస్తామా అన్న టైంలో 11th hour ప్రదీప్ గారు రాయడం, సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ కమింగ్ అప్ విత్ సచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ కాంటెంట్ విచ్ నేను యాక్ట్ చేయడమే కాదు, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సిట్, స్ట్రీమ్ అండ్ వాచ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ప్రవీణ్ సార్ రెండో ప్రాణం పోశారు గరుడవేగా అని ఒక సినిమా ఇచ్చి. I haven't had a release in the last 24 months. You know, the biggest of actors are suffering problems because of corona. Iros release అవ్వట్లేదు. అట్లాంటి ఒక పొజిషన్లో సంథింగ్ సో బిగ్, a platform like AHA which can compete with, అంటే ఇప్పుడు బిగ్గెస్ట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ మన దేశంలో హాట్స్టార్, నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్, అమెజాన్ వాళ్ళతో పాటు ఆల్మోస్ట్ సమానంగా నించొని వేరే స్టేట్స్కి వెళ్ళినా తెలుస్తుంది. దే నో, లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ మీద, ఫేస్బుక్ మీద పెట్టేటప్పుడు దే నో అబౌట్ ది యాప్, దే నో వాట్ ఆల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్. అడుగుతున్నారు ఇది ఎట్లా, హౌ డు ఐ గెట్ ఆన్ టు ఇట్, విచ్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ టు వాచ్. సో ఐ లైక్ హౌ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ది platform has gone up, and I'm part of something which is on par in terms of standard. That's all I can say about 11th hour. You know, Telugulo first time itla biggest series, big definitely cheppali talli, cheppakapothe ela chaala kashtapadi chesam. No, it is because it's not for the first person to come and do. Eppudu first ellin vadike kashtam, tarvata ellin vadu dari pattukoni ellipotadu. To make something like this, even it was very tough. Corona jarugutundi, and then our lead lady Tamanna was down for some time, you know. We were shooting in very small locations, and sir was running out of time. I think he hardly slept for about 2 months, just going. We shot nights almost oka 2 months evaru padukoledu, athale shoot chesam. And what dubbing lo chusanu, I haven't seen the final version, and I'm so proud and amazed to be part of it. I just can't wait for you guys to see it. Nen maatladam chalu, meer chudandi April 9th vastundi, and I'm sure like we always watch, binge watch kodtarani. Tell your friends, and thank you VHub for having us over here. Always proud. Like what do I say? What do you say great about women? You know, your mother, your sister, and the world doesn't exist without them. I'm just humbled to be part of it. Thank you so much.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి, నా పేరు మహతి. దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఫస్ట్ వెబ్ సిరీస్. సో కరెంట్లీ ఐ am extremely delighted to be here. Delighted to be a part of 11th hour, which is kickstarting the collaboration between VHub and AHA. Thank you. అసలు నేను యాక్చువల్గా వాళ్ళకి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి. నాకు ఓకే, ఆర్ లీడింగ్ లేడీ ఈజ్ ఆరాత్రిక, అండ్ హర్ సర్స్ ఇద్దరు చెప్పినట్టు, అరుణ్ చెప్పినట్టు,
ద స్టోరీ రివాల్వ్స్ అరౌండ్ హర్. బట్ ఆ ఒక్క అమ్మాయితో ఆగదు. దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ అదర్ విమెన్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ లైక్ రాగిణి, నోరా, షబ్నం. నేను చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్ పేరు షబ్నం. ఎట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే అంటే ఆడవాళ్ళు అంటే ఇలానే ఉండాలి, క్యూట్గానే ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే స్ట్రాంగ్గానే ఉండాలి, అలా ఏం ఉండదు. ఎట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే మ్యామ్ చెప్పినట్టు వీఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యూమన్స్. ఆడవాళ్ళు స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటారు, ఆడవాళ్ళకి కోపం వస్తుంది, వల్నరబుల్గా ఉంటారు, హెల్ప్లెస్గా ఉంటారు, కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్గా ఉంటారు, తిక్కగా ఉంటారు. ఆడవాళ్ళలో నెగిటివ్ షేడ్స్ కూడా చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఎక్కువగా వీ డోంట్ సీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దాట్. ఐ థింక్ వాట్ మేక్స్ 11th hour very very special is that the women of 11th hour are very relatable, and there is an Aratrika, Nora, Shabnam and Ragini in all of us, irrespective of man and woman. These characters are in all of us, and that's what makes 11th hour very very special, I think. And not keeping the men aside, I did. So I'm going to make up for keeping the men aside. You know how there is this quotation that said every man venakala there is a woman ani. Alage I think there are a lot of men, good bad we'll discuss later, behind a woman. And those are the characters, again good bad debatable, that we'll see in 11th hour. And I'm really delighted, and thank you Pradeep sir and Praveen sir for choosing me to be your Shabnam. I have absolutely, she's అమ్మాయి ఏదో ఒక మాట్లాడేది ఒకటి చేసేది ఒకటి. ఐఎమ్ నచ్చుతో తెలియదు కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుంటుంది ఆ క్యారెక్టర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అగైన్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ ది ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆహా, థ్యాంక్ యూ వీహబ్. 11th hour 9th April చూడండి ప్లీజ్. ఓకే బాయ్.
యూ మైట్ బి వండరింగ్ ఏంటి విమెన్ హబ్ అన్నారు, 11th hour అందరు మొగలు కూర్చున్నారేంటి, వీడు హీరో కూడా కాదంట, తమన్నా హీరో అంట, ఏంటి ఏం జరుగుతుంది? I was also wondering in the bettam, where is Aratrika Reddy? I was sitting here. I actually have two Aratrika Reddys. You know, if you really want to see what the protagonist and what they were going through, character, the pressure or what they're trying to do in the world, I can kind of relate to the two women sitting here. Can I have a big round of applause for them? That's pretty much it. Character గురించి అది మీరు షో చూసి తెలుసుకోండి. హ్యాపీ యుగాది ఇన్ అడ్వాన్స్.
అండ్ ఇప్పుడే అదే చెప్పారు, ఆరాత్రిక రెడ్డి ఎందుకు లేదు ఇక్కడ లేదు అని. టు బీ హియర్, హౌఎవర్ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వల్ల ట్రావెలింగ్ అంత ఈజీ కాదు కాబట్టి తను వాళ్ళు రాలేకపోయారు. బట్ షీఈ్ షూర్లీ యూ గోయింగ్ టు సీ హర్ వెరీ యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. ఐ థింక్ వీ షుడ్ సీ ద ట్రైలర్ ఆఫ్ చూసే టైం వచ్చేసింది.
ట్రైలర్ చూడంగానే ఫస్ట్ ఆకట్టుకునేవి విజువల్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? హౌ ఆర్ ద విజువల్స్? And he's the reason why. My DOP Mukesh, I mean, he's got a never say no attitude. ఎంతుంటే అంతలోనే, నాకు ఇది కావాలి అది కావాలి లేదు, టు ద పాయింట్ he comes. I never saw him drink water, బాటిల్ నుంచి వాటర్ కూడా తాగడం నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు సెట్లో. యూజువల్లీ నేను పరిగెడుతుంటాను, బట్ నాకన్నా ఫాస్ట్గా పరిగెడుతుంటాడు ముఖేష్. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్, మీరు April 9th రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ ద సిరీస్ ఈస్ గోన్ లుక్ లైక్. దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ larger than life, how how beautiful the visuals are going to be. So visuals అనేవి ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు పెడితే గ్రాండియర్ రాదు. ఇట్స్ విజన్లో ఉంటుంది ఆ గ్రాండియర్. సో ఆ విజన్ ఆయన చూసే లెన్స్ నుంచి కనబడుతుంది మనకి. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ పోర్ట్రేడ్ హియర్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ముఖేష్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద సపోర్ట్. సో అగైన్ విజువల్స్ అలా రావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ కథ బాగుండాలి. సో Pradeep, thanks a lot. When he first brought the story in, I read it. Arvind garu phone chesi, నువ్వు వేరే వాళ్ళు కథ రాస్తే చేస్తావా అని అడిగారు. అడిగితే బాగుంటే ఎందుకు తీయమండి అన్న. సో he sent the script, I read it, and I called Arvind garu, I called Ajit, I said, ఇదేంటిది కరెక్ట్ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంది అని. సో దెన్ ఐ మెట్ హిమ్, ఐ సెడ్, ఇట్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అండి, ఇట్స్ ఏదో సిల్వర్ ప్లాటర్ మీద నాకు సర్వ్ చేసినట్టు ఉంది ఇది. I can see the visuals when I read it. Definitely చేస్తాను అని. And then the journey started. lot of things when in the couple of meetings, first meetings itself, lot of similarities kanmani, the way I see things, the way I perceive things, my sensibilities, his sensibilities. That's when I felt like, done, we're in safe hands. When you read the script, అర్థమైపోతుంది ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ pauses ఉన్నాయి, ఎక్కడ the levels of drama again. So it's been a wonderful journey. అంటే the coolest shoot that I ever had in my life basically. సెట్కి కూడా వస్తే మీరు చాలా కామ్గా ఉండేది, ఎందుకంటే ప్రెప్ అంతా ప్రీ ప్రోడ్లో జరిగిపోయింది. సో we finished in 33 days. This is the output in 33 days. So that was possible. Again, the reason is his support. So he is a writer, he's a producer. More than that, he was my first AD. He so schedule good every day కూర్చొని schedule వేసేవాడు. By the time we finish the shoot, he would sit and say, sir, ఇవి మిగిలిని రేపు పెట్టుకుందాం. So we sit, ఆ scheduling ఎచ్చుకోరేవంతా. So it was a lovely journey, Pradeep, thank you. And post-కి వచ్చేసరికి you can see his sleepless eyes basically. He's been working day and night for the last 2 months. So he's the showrunner of the series basically. So thank you, Pradeep. So without the support of Pradeep or Mukesh, my editor Dharmendra, who we've been traveling for a very long time, my technical team CV and his team Annapurna Studios, Okoti, and Ajit, how can I forget? He's right there in the frame in the middle. Arvind Garu, and my beautiful cast. I'm coming. So and it's been pleasure working with Tamanna, and she was always hungry for something new, something to deliver basically. And we had long sessions discussing about the character, about the depths of character. And there is a sequence where I'll tell you the extent of performance that we could get out of Tamanna in this. ఒక సీన్లో తన 6-year-old బాబుని పడుకోబెడుతూ పడుకో లేచిన తర్వాత ఐల్ గెట్ యూ ది యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ pancakes and waffles అని చెప్తుండగా she gets a phone call from her CEO. This is 1 hour before everything is gonna collapse in her life, and our phone call is her CEO and she fires him on the phone. So that is the variation. Okay, only a woman can do that. So like I said, women multitask, and they multidextrous and everything. So again, Aditya ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి చెప్పాలి. And Mahati, no, they've done fantastic. And Mahati's character is very unique. It's completely off from the main plot, but it's very unique. So she'll stand out, and Santosh, her co-star, he'll stand out as well. And every character is unique. Like I said, it's Aratrika story, but again, మిగతా క్యారెక్టర్స్ అన్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయగలిగితేనే ఆ లీడ్ క్యారెక్టర్కి ఆ వెయిటేజ్ వస్తుంది. సో దాట్స్ వాట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ ప్లెజెంట్ సర్ప్రైజ్. యూ వాచ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద సిరీస్. సో that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Praveen. Pradeep, would you like?
Like a lot of people were there, but our captain of the ship was Praveen. So without him and his steering and direction, I don't think we would have gotten a quality product like this. Of course, we had a lot of mentors along the way. Throughout the shoot, Praveen, before Praveen, Arvind Garu, Ajit, and the platform and all of that. But really, I think Praveen Garu controlling us all, giving that clear direction. We were scheduled to shoot for something like 42 days, but he made it possible in something like 33 days, like rush. So yeah, a lot of good things. I don't speak much, but these are the words I really wanted to say about it.
Everyone, actually I had a very fantastic experience working in this show. First of all, I would like to thank Praveen for your wonderful words. Praveen, thank you so much. And Yeah, thanks, Pradeep sir, for all the encouragement. Yeah, we shot it in a very short span, in a very tough situations, in a single location, all the nights with Corona in place. Was it one of the, I won't call the toughest shoot, but a little difficult shoot in terms of the shooting because the atmosphere was changing. It was right after the Corona. So we had to keep a lot of things, a lot of protocols went in through, and finally we made it, and we made it in less number of days also. In a ways, that all went into prep. Basically, our prepping was good, so we could able to finish a week before we actually intended to. All thanks to Pradeep sir and Praveen and AHA, the platform, Ajit and everyone. And thanks for this wonderful opportunity. And it's one of the very important and interesting projects I've ever shot. Glad to be a part of it. Thank you.
చూడొచ్చు మీరు తప్పకుండా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చూడండి ఈ ట్రైలర్ని. అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ April 9th ఆహాలో. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ us on the stage.
To Deepti last night that even the best corporates and private sector can't work who are running your initiatives. It's absolutely fantastic. Like on the side of the government of Telangana, our promoters have equally been as quick and fast with this initiative, which took us less than 7 days to put together. Why are we here? Why do we want to go beyond promoting just a trailer? It's a fabulous trailer. I don't think I should say anything more about 11th hour except please watch the show. But today is about more than that. And I think Pradeep, Praveen, you should come on stage. Adit, join so that it stays a bit of 11th hour as well. So we launched 1 million active unique users, 1.2 million subscribers, 4.5 rating on both the stores, and the fastest growing OTT platform in the country in a single language, and as verified by Ormax. So we are the fastest growing OTT in the country in a single language, and that is the love that you've given us. But is that enough? How do we bring back the love? So you saw a few months back, we launched a show called the Sam Jam. Samantha is not here today, but that show garnered over 100 million viewing minutes. And through the course of Sam Jam, we changed the life of about 8 people. So we at AHA believe that we want to give back to society that has given us so much love. And today is step 2 of that. Yes, 11th hour is the biggest AHA show. But more than that, we want to go beyond and walk the talk. So what we promise you, and Deepti through you to all the women here and in the 2 states, that we would like to bring more and more stories focusing on women, more inspiring stories. After this, we have 3 more that AHA and VHub are collaborating to help support 5 to 7 women entrepreneurs over the course of the next 12 months, not just morally and resource-wise, but also financially. And between all of us, we have found the first woman entrepreneur that we would like to help support. And I would like Jayesh Ranjan sir and Meghna to give the check to her. But before that, I would like Deepti to talk a little bit about the entrepreneur who is going to be the first recipient of AHA VHub Women in Focus.
Deepti request you to.
My colleague Deepti, members of the wonderful AHA team, colleagues from VHub, invitees, guests. First of all, I would like to convey my appreciation to you, Ajit. You have completely transformed the way people look up to these kind of platforms. Today, I'm sure you know this, that Netflix is included in the Big Five, and it is spoken of in a very derogatory way, how the Big Five are controlling our lives, really manipulating our lives and so on and so forth. But what you are doing with AHA is a complete contrast to the kind of image that we have of big tech. You are trying to bring more meaning in the lives of the people that you are speaking about or you are portraying in your movies, in the web series. So my heartfelt congratulations. I never expected that the interest of a platform will be beyond getting more and more viewers, getting more eyeballs, and obviously becoming a very dominant leader in the market. But what you and Meghna Garu are doing is absolutely wonderful, and you have chosen the best counterpart in the form of VHub to collaborate, to join hands. VHub, I'm sure Deepti would have, మీరు ముందు మాట్లాడారు కదా నాకంటే ముందు. So she would have already spoken about VHub. I don't have to tell you what VHub is, but this is a place where lots of dreams come true of women entrepreneurs. In fact, typically when you go to an incubator, for instance, many of you would know that there is a fantastic incubator called T-Hub, not very far from here. And if you go to T-Hub, the tagline of T-Hub is walk in with an idea and go out with a product or a solution. But in VHub, no, just a minute, I'm not yet done. In VHub, the tagline is that even if you do not have an idea, you can walk in. So that is the amazing thing, that you can give shape to people who really are at a very, very rudimentary stage. They're still grappling with what to do. If you have the desire that let me do something, instead of just becoming a stereotypical, a kind of a homemaker, or just an average woman who has no ambitions or dreams for herself, then VHub is the best place. And I'm sure that 11th Hour kind of reflects some of these sensibilities. Corporate dramas are always very intriguing, always very fascinating. I'm very sure that this series will do well. Praveen Garu is a very acclaimed director with a very accomplished body of work. So I'm also waiting for April 9th so that I can watch all the 8 episodes, isn't it? But congratulations once again for the fantastic work that all of you have done.
Thank you.
Of our financial engagement, I would like to call it. And the team is Team Sortizy, and it is actually by Surbhi and her team. And Sortizy is like Spotify for kitchens. I'll just let you marinate on that for like half a second. See the food pun? I don't think many of you got it, but I'll try my bad jokes anyway. So, anyway, coming down to Sortizy, what Sortizy does is actually gives you access to personalized recipes, and also it gives you access to creating grocery lists, smart grocery lists, and over time it's going to become a data analytics platform which is going to tie the home and your grocery store together, that you never have to go to a store ever again, or even think about what you want to shop about. So that is, I'm hoping, not becoming the big six. So that is what Sortizy is, and this is Surbhi, the founder of Sortizy. I'd like to invite Meghna
Surbhi
and
Guha and Shakti Prakash.
Shakti Prakash also, please. Yes.
ఈ అసోసియేషన్స్ ఇలాంటి కొలాబరేషన్స్ ఇంకా చాలా జరగబోతున్నాయి వచ్చే సంవత్సరంలో. యా congratulations.
Moment to talk about what we are building, the tech platform. So as Deepti ma'am said, that the Spotify is there for music. The way AHA is revolutionizing the way we consume web series and the entertainment content. So Spotify is there to revolutionize Indian home kitchens. So we are building an application and we are striving to put millions of recipes which are standardized and personalized to Indian tastes and preferences. Then we are building tools to automate and help millennials and all users manage their groceries at home. And also the way people will like to consume the content, the multimedia content to cook good food at home and run their kitchens efficiently. And also, after watching 11th trailer, I literally got goosebumps, and I'm like really excited for it. I'm sure it's going to be very inspiring. And thank you so much again for this opportunity.
Thank you.
As a lot of entities do a lot of work through their CSR activities, but the uniqueness of this is that it's going to be an interest-free grant for about 1.5 years, and then Surbhi will not pay back to us. She will actually be on the selection committee to choose the next entrepreneur who will be actually getting this money. So we are making sure that every entrepreneur who actually gets the support pays it forward. And I think to have more women in leadership, more women in entrepreneurship, and have a more balanced world, I think what Meghna spoke about, the only way to do it is pay it forward. And we are hoping that the amount of money that we are talking about goes a very long way and can impact a lot of lives, and also create a lot of role models and create an ecosystem of entrepreneurs who all support each other. Because unless we all collaborate, we are never going to grow. So that is the intent behind this entire thing, because money is not the biggest thing, but how do we create that community? And that's what we are striving to do through our collaboration with AHA. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, this is me Noel. Please like, share and subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi everyone, Nenu mi Avantika Mishra. Please keep watching Mirror TV.